From the Weather NorCal Command Center, this is your morning update.
Well, we are going to be looking at below normal highs through the weekend, so much cooler weather in store for us. No triple-digit heat for the inland areas and no big heat waves really coming down the pike. However, I am seeing some indication, which we'll take a look at here in just a second. Smoke forecast, it looks like it should improve. We're just looking at mainly in the form of some light haze here throughout the day today, and that will probably improve as we take you through the afternoon. Conditions getting better. We're seeing less activity coming in from the fires, and as a result, less smoke. There's the trend. Temperatures low 90s for Weaverville, eventually getting a little bit warmer by next week, and that could be an indication of the warming trend I was talking about. But for today, low 90s inland, low 60s for the coast. No big surprises here. We take into Trinity County, a little bit warmer, low to even some mid-90s for some of the warmer spots taking you through the afternoon. So this cooler air just kind of stays up to our north. It keeps the heat down to our south and east, and we stay cool through the weekend. Now, next week is when I start to see some potential changes. We've got some heat coming in from the south. That is going to push the cooler air to our west. This could be a big heat wave heading our way in the next week and a half to 2 weeks. Now, this is a long-range forecast model. We can't take this to be the exact what's going to happen with the weather, but it does give us an idea. Now, we do have the monsoon moisture to our south and east. We have the storm systems riding to our north, but overall, we're kind of stuck in between the two, and that's pretty much just keeping us in those dry conditions. Now, we do have some clearing this afternoon, much like what we saw yesterday. More fog coming in Thursday morning. Thursday afternoon, it looks like a little bit of clearing, but maybe a little bit more difficult to clear out. And then I do expect as we go into your Friday, we'll have an even harder time clearing out. We do have a small fret advisory for all of the areas in purple here through Thursday morning. So the wave heights are actually going to be improving as we do go into the next 24 hours, as they will start to lower. Looking at your marine forecast, there you can see, of course, your winds and your waves. Not a big concern, but there's that small fret advisory I was telling you about. Here's what it looks like today, as we typically see. Low to mid-60s for the coast, a little bit warmer inland, and a little bit warmer as you head out towards Trinity County. Looking at that 7-day forecast, Hoopa, upper 80s, low 90s. I think we're staying in the 90s for Weaverville with temperatures in the mid-90s there. And looking at that 7-day forecast for Eureka, we are going to be looking at temperatures in the low 60s. In fact, basically between 62 and 63.